In this video, I'm just going to quickly explain how to add music to your VRChat world with Unity, and also a way to do it with UDON as well in the VRChat SDK3. So to add music to the world, we need an audio source. You can add one just by right-clicking the hierarchy and choosing audio source. You can just drag this audio clip into the audio clip section of the audio source. Loop the song if you like, and also play on awake. The song will just immediately start playing when someone enters the world. If you want to actually interact with the cube to play the music, we just need to add a couple of things. This cube is just a simple cube I made in the hierarchy. I'm just going to drag some materials onto the cube so it matches my mirror toggle buttons. And we just need to add an UDON script to this cube. So in the inspector for this cube, click on Add Component and UDON script, make new program. We need to add a couple of variables. The first one would be an audio source. So just click the plus, type in audio source and add one. Another thing we need is an audio clip. Once that's done, drag it onto the graph. Press tab to bring up the full search. The audio source play is the fourth one in the list. I have no idea why this isn't labeled, but I guess they will update this later. Make sure that the variables are set to public. Press compile. In the inspector, you should see two public variables, the audio source and the audio clip. So just drag the audio source from the hierarchy into the inspector, and the audio clip is just whatever song you want to play. Just drag that in as well. And once that is done, you can build and test in VRChat. By default, everything in VRChat is local, so things that you interact with will only change for you. If you want the music to play for everyone in the room, you'll need to add a little bit more code. We need to make it a networked object so it syncs for everyone. Send custom network event. And we can link that to the interact. So every time someone interacts with the button, it will send a custom network event to everyone. Link this event to the audio source set clip, and make sure the event name in the send custom network event is the name of your custom event. And that's it. You have a networked music button. When someone interacts with that button, it will play the music for everyone in the instance. I hope the tutorial helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, or you can join my Discord server as well. Okay, see you next time!